Hello lovies! Today I'm gonna share my unboxing vid of Misfit. So this company is known to carry ugly veggies that are still healthy and fresh for less money than your grocery bills. The smaller one, I think it's called Misfit. It's $19.99 and the madness box is $39.99. Oh, sorry, $34.99. Oh, disaster! Okay, so I'm gonna share with you what I got in my box today. Oh, it's heavy. Got artichoke, and then garlic. Oh, a pear? Is this a pear? It is organic though. Oh, it's mango. Okay. Does that, I mean, it doesn't look like mango to me, but I guess, I mean, if it don't look like so-called norm. Okay, oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, and onion. I think these are called frises. At the end of the video, I'll show you like the whole screenshot or what's on my table. These are, what are these? What are these? Celery? I guess celery? Or I don't think this is rhubarb, is it? I don't know. But anyway, I'm not a vegetable expert, so. Oh. Wow. Okay, unexpected. I've never ever seen sweet potato that looks like this. Okay. There's always something new. Alright, go ahead. Alright. I mean, another one. Okay, this is pretty big though. Could feed a whole family. Squash. I don't know what kind of squash this is. If you do know, can you comment below, please? Thanks. Are these carrots? What are these? Clearly, I don't eat lots of different veggies. And tomatoes. And potatoes. Oh, there's more. Okay. Bok choy? Are these bok choy? What do you think this is? Maybe, but it's a plant. I mean, yeah. And this is green onion. Okay. Oh, I love these. These are butter something lettuce. Butternut lettuce? Butter lettuce. These are so good though. They're more crisp than the regular lettuce, so it's one of my favorites. Alright, just that and that's it. But let me show you a closer view. So starting from here. Bok choy, green onion, butternut lettuce. Isn't that butternut lettuce? This is all I got. You see that? So I'm going to make a meal or some sort of creation with this. So if you like to see what I made, check out my Instagram at Jenny B Doll. I'm on this journey where I'm trying to eat more keto. Like, they're organic, they're fresh, it's good, but to feed a family, and if you have the budget, great, but I don't know if it's 100% worth it because this is kind of expensive if you're on a budget. So I would say for organic and fresh produce, yes, it's pretty good value because in New York, it's very expensive in general. I personally, for me, like single girl living by herself and cooking, yes, I think it's good for me, and I am trying to encourage myself to eat more veggies. See, I couldn't even name off like half of the veggies because I don't eat them. So I'm trying to venture out and cook more at home where I get to do that. So I think for me it's worth it. So can't say for everyone, but I really hope that this gave you an idea of what Misfit Market Box is like. It is a subscription company. In any way, if you would like the subscription and get discount, I'll leave all the information description below. And I really hope that you like this video. More review boxing, unboxing videos will come up, so keep in touch with me by subscribing. Bye!